Hello, friends and followers. Well, I did install two new RF preamp FETs in here. I think they're N channel. Anyway, there they are. Those were beyond painful to install. I have previous videos on how this works and how I got them in there. But anyway, they're in. It was not without pain and duress and actually breaking traces on the board also, which you shouldn't do. So it was not fun. Anyway, they're in there. Do they match the, yeah, they match the stenciling, I'm sure. That's why I put them in. So anyway, when you muck around with those are on the 24 volt DC line on this thing in the B power supply. So whenever you mess with this stuff, you got to make sure, first of all, that before you turn this radio on, that the 24 volt line is not dead short. It'll burn up the pass transistor and maybe a diode and some other things that are unpleasant to replace. I've done this twice now. So anyway, I can't find my ground clips. Let's find one here. And we'll do a test of the impedance already. Jeez. Just try and do one simple thing around here. Okay. Let's ground this thing real quick to the radio. And check our ground. Let's see what we got here for continuity. Oh, I can't even see it. There it is. Well, anyway, I can't even focus this thing, but just making sure this meter's working. It's working. Okay, so importantly, you want to check this red end white wire here. There they are. This wire here is your 24 volt line coming in right here. All right, you see that wire there, the second one down? That's your 24 volt wire. That should have 100 something ohms on it. 137 ohms, it shouldn't be 0 or a few ohms. That means you'll blow your power supply up. Don't bother turning on the radio. If that is low, you'll be sorry. So that's my warning. That's a 12 volt line there, which is open. Because the preamp isn't on. This is your 24 volt line that powers the mixer, and it powers these two guys here, which we just replaced. So with that said, it's time to apply power to the radio and pray. After replacing all those transistors, I am just going to turn it on now. I don't even have the speaker connected yet. I guess I should connect the speaker, but I'm going to power it on and see if it smokes or something. Power up. Make sure the volume's down. Okay, turn it on. And turn off the heater. All right, buttons got pushed. Turn off this stuff. Okay, so nothing bad happened. These down here ran really hot. Those two transistors were hot when they were burned up. Anyway, I won't put my fingers down there. Let's look at the RF meter. So I'm not seeing any great change there. Let's go to 40 meters. I would think when the preamp is on, I should see some changes. Okay, there's a signal there. Let's go to 0. 7.4 where all the screechy stuff is with the FT8. And press the button in. It's a complete failure. So all that work didn't turn out, and that's how it goes. I'm not going to reinvestigate it whatsoever. Let's see if these are running hot. Yep. They seem like they're shorted or something. They're running pretty hot, like the old ones did, so can't say I know what's wrong with them, but there's no change in how they're running. They're both running really hot. And there's no signal. All right, well, that concludes it. I guess I'm not going to muck with those anymore. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.